Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Everybody, let's get louder and clap your hands. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Let's jump. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Now, before Cassie blows her candle, let us first take this moment to listen to the hopes and wishes of Mommy and Daddy for our dear Cassie.
Hello, Cassie. Anak. I'm very grateful kasi you're my baby. You grow malambing to mommy. You are very respectful kid. You are very humble kid and so kind. Continue to be a blessing to mommy and daddy and your sisters. Continue to be a good girl. You always listen to our advices. I am so happy that you grow well and healthy. I wish and pray that someday all your wishes, all your prayers, the Lord will grant you. Always be patient and always be humble, anak ha. Someday with mommy and daddy, we grow old. You take care of us, and then you take care of your sister and your brother. Okay? Stay happy and enjoy your day. Thank you so much, anak. I love you.
Wow, how about the wish of Daddy?
My wish to my beautiful Cassie, continue to be caring, loving, and goodness overload to your brother, Frank, and Elise, and to all people surrounding you. And always remember that Mommy and Daddy is always here. If you want to tell something, don't hesitate to give what you want to tell to us. And